Now I will show you how to add column into an existing table. You see that in the previous example what we did, we created some tables: guardians, students, teachers. Now for example, I want to add a column into the students table. For example, there were some fields here: name, role, description, etc. Now I want to add a specific item. For example, after the name column, I want to add the phone column: name, phone, or name, mobile, this type, or email, this type of column. How I can add this here? I can add this here from here, that is on system, that is going to change the structure from here. For example, here I can add this one up to name, select, then click on go. In this way I can add this. This is one way. Another way is I can use the migration command, make migration, in order to add a new column after a specific column. Now I am going to show you how I can do that. I am going to open my VS Code editor, and into the students table, this was actually the students table migration. That is actually not needed because I am going to create another migration here. For example, I am going to create here like this: PHP artisan make migration. This is the basic command. And now what I will do, I will add a column. For example, I will add email column. So add email column. I will give a meaningful name here so that you can understand. So add email to which table? That is my students table. So students table. Now I am going to press enter. You will see that an item added here, that is add email to students table, and this is the schema, and this is the down schema and up schema, up function and down function. In the up function, I am going to add here table, and for example the field is string, and here it is for example email, and length is 100. So this is like this schema what I used in order to add students table. You see that when we created the students table, we added this one. So similar way, I just add the field which I want to create, and here I can give here a after which column it will be created. In the students table there is a field name, so here I will give the name field. If you do not give here after, then the column will be added after the last. That means after the last item, here after the updated at, it will be added. But normally we want that created and updated at, these two fields should be in the last. So I will add that after, for example, after the name. So I tell here after name. In the down method, I will add another one. That is, I will here add table drop column. So the column which I will add here, that is email, I will drop it if I use the rollback. So here I just use the drop column. Now my task is finished. Here what I can do, I can run PHP artisan migrate this command. Before running that, you see that in the migrations, these are the items, like right. I am going to click on show all. Okay, now I am just going to run it. Enter. It is completed, and now I will check two things. First, I am going to check the students this table. You see that email field is added here. A structure, you see that after the name field the email field comes. So the column has been added with my PHP artisan migrate command. Another change in migration is, you see that bash is 4. That means this file is added here. This is the name of the migration PHP file. Add email to students table. I gave the name here, and this has been added in the migrations table list as the badge number 4. So I hope you have understood how to add a new column into an existing table using the migration command.